Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's get another look, see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are. We've got this little chimney stack to lead today. It's just in the process of being retiled. So the roof is, they've just left the old lead in at the moment just to keep things pretty much watertight. So it's pretty straightforward. Just front apron, step flashings and a back gutter. It's at a nice height as well, just off the eaves here, so it's not too far up, which is always pretty handy. So just needs a little ladder just to get round to the back for the back gutter there. So what I'm going to do first, get this old lead taken out, then we can have a proper look at it and get this front apron in. Okay, so that's all that lead taken out now. So I'm just in the process now of just getting this front apron in. Just remove those tiles just so we can get the ears up underneath the soakers. So I'm just on the bench now, just making up this front apron. Get these corners welded in, and then we get that fitted. Okay, so that's that front apron fitted now and all tiled back in. So now I'm going to get the step flashings up the sides. Okay, so that's both of those step flashings in as well now, up the sides there. What I've done is I just dropped it down as low as I could, just in between the gap of the tile there, just so it sort of like pins it in a little bit as well. So now that's those step flashings in. Let's have a look at doing this back gutter. Okay, so that's that back gutter in now, all welded up. So now that's in, what we're going to do now is cut that flashing into the back. Then we can give it a coat of oil and point it up with a bit of lead sealant. Okay, so that's that flashing in as well now to the back gutter. So now that's in, we get it pointed up, get it oiled, then that'll be job done. Okay, so that's all pointed in now with the lead sealant. The bricklayer's still got to make good to the rest of the pointing on the chimney, which he's going to do afterwards. So that's all oiled now, so that is job done. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SLB Leadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.